Your brain isn't lazy. It's overloaded, trapped in a cycle of cheap dopamine from your phone, your feeds, and your endless notifications. If you want your focus, motivation, and willpower back, you need a reset. This is the 7-Day Dopamine Detox Blueprint, and it will change your brain forever. Every time you scroll, swipe, or click, your brain releases a hit of dopamine. The more you get, the more your brain demands. Over time, the things that truly matter, deep work, learning, building, don't feel satisfying anymore. You've rewired yourself to crave novelty, not progress. And the only way out is to break the cycle. 7 days isn't random. It's enough to calm your brain's reward system, but short enough that you can commit without fear. In a week, you won't cure your dopamine addiction, but you will regain control of your impulses and prove to yourself that you can choose focus over distraction. Start with a full environment reset. Delete the apps designed to keep you hooked. Turn off all non-essential notifications. Move your phone out of reach during work and sleep. Think of it like clearing junk food out of the kitchen before starting a diet. Today you'll feel restless, itchy for stimulation. That's withdrawal. Instead of giving in, fill the gap with low dopamine activities. Reading a physical book, journaling, walking without headphones. This is where most people fail. Don't. You're retraining your brain to find reward in stillness. Replace the junk inputs with intentional habits. Start your day without touching your phone for the first hour. Schedule deep work in the morning. Your brain is freshest. End the day with reflection, not scrolling. Rituals create structure. Structure creates freedom. Introduce one night block of undistracted work. No phone, no tabs you don't need. When your brain tries to escape, remind yourself, you're teaching it to love focus again. Delayed gratification is the antidote to dopamine burnout. Earn your rewards. No coffee until you've finished your focus block. No YouTube until your project is complete. You're rewiring your brain to connect pleasure to achievement, not avoidance. Now that your brain is calmer, go deeper. Work on something that matters, something you've been avoiding. Without constant dopamine spikes, your focus will last longer than you expect. This is where you realize how much time and energy you've been leaking. The detox isn't a one-time stunt, it's training. Pick 2 low dopamine habits you'll keep permanently. Maybe morning phone-free time, or a daily 90-minute deep work block. In just 7 days, you'll feel calmer. Your thoughts will be clearer. Tasks that used to overwhelm you will feel lighter. And you'll realize focus is a superpower the modern world has stolen from you. Now you have it back. This isn't just about you. When you take back control of your mind, you become immune to the system built to own it. That's the kind of rebellion the world needs. If you're ready to join the fight to rebuild your brain and your life from the ground up, join NovaForge, link in description.